Are you stressed out with today's world? Are you yearning for a little bit more peace and quiet? How about a slower pace of life? If so, then this place is for you. Come take a look. Sitting on nearly 3 flat sunny acres, you've discovered your own sanctuary. With 4,200 square feet and 5 bedrooms, you have plenty of room for all your loved ones. Originally built by a well-known local contractor, the much-loved property has only been sold once until now. This property is so private and full of surprises, like a redwood grove fairy circle. Soak in the massive, long-distance views of the Santa Cruz Mountains and Monterey Bay.